Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera. Please subscribe to my channel. You can use Amazon Web Services in two ways. First, AWS itself provides an email service. Second, you can take any AWS server and install the mail code that I've demonstrated in a previous video. After that, you'll have PowerMTA, which is the most powerful mail server. If you have any problems, you can WhatsApp or call me. If you want any server built, just WhatsApp me and I'll provide you with pricing details. First, you need to create an AWS account. If you're creating it for the first time, it's available for free for 12 months. If you have any issues, you can contact me. Go to Services and search for SES Simple Email Service. This is the email service of AWS SES. I'll tell you a bit about its pricing. It provides free emails. You can use it for free every month for 12 months if you're using its free trial for the first time. After that, if you send emails within the first 10 days of the month, you'll be charged 10 cents for every 1,000 emails. This is its pricing, which is the lowest in the market. After accessing the service, you first need to verify the domain and email. Click on Verify a new domain. I've already verified one of my domains here. I had gotten this .design domain for free. I've made a video on how to get a free .design domain name for 1 year. I'm not sure if it still works, but I had bought it using a coupon code at that time. When you click on Verify a new domain, you need to enter a domain name. I'll copy a domain to show you as an example. After pasting the domain, you'll see Generate DKIM settings below. Check that box and DKIM will also be generated. Then click on Verify this domain. It will provide you with all the DNS records you need to add, including everything for the Indian zone. You need to add these records. After adding them, it will show the verification here. The index record is also provided. Everything is ready-made, you just need to go to your DNS zone and add these records. I'm not doing it right now, I'm just explaining. If you face any problems, you can WhatsApp me or comment below. I reply to every comment. Everything is provided here: DKIM, domain validation record, MX record, everything. Once the records are indexed, the ones you've added will be verified here. After that, you need to verify the email address. I verified 2 email addresses here. One is my personal email account and the other is my domain's email account. You can verify those from here and then go to sending statistics. Here, my limit is 50,000 emails per day. I can send 50,000 emails from here. But when you create a new account, it will only allow you to send 20 or 50 emails. I'll show you how to increase this limit and what email I sent them to do so. Let me go to the support center and show you the tickets I sent them. Look, this was the message I sent them. I told them about my official website, where I'm from, how I collect emails, and that I want to send news updates or updates about new posts or products. I explained which AWS service I'm using. After that, they replied asking how I would manage bounce rates, etc. I replied explaining my use of mailing software. I explained that I use mailing software to manage things like bounce rates, complaints, unsubscribe requests, etc. After that, they increased my AWS limit. If you face any problems with this, you can message me, but most people aren't able to increase the limit. They become a bit stricter with it. After your limit increases, here's how you use it. It provides both SMTP and API options. It provides SMTP as well as API. You can use both, and port 25 supports all three. The hostname will be this, the port will be this. You can create the username from here by clicking Create My SMTP Credentials. But I recommend using its API instead of SMTP, because the API is automatic and will manage the bounce rate itself. For SMTP, you need to set it up manually. For the API, go to My Security Credentials, then you'll get the API credentials. Click on Access Keys, then create new access key. You'll get an access key ID and secret access key. Once you have both of these, if you're using mailing software, go to the admin panel, click on Delivery Server, then Create New Server. Select Amazon SES Web API. Copy the access key ID and secret access key. Paste the access key ID and secret access key in the appropriate fields. For the hostname, use the one I showed you earlier in the SMTP section. Enter the hostname and your email address. If you want the from email and reply to email to be the same, keep this. Give it a name to remember, like AWS. Click on Save Changes. After saving, click on Validate Server. It will send a verification email. The server is inactive right now. There will be a verification link in that email. When they verify that link, the email will be verified. I've received the email. I'll open it. I'll copy the verification link from the email and paste it here. The status which is showing is inactive will become active. Look, the status has been activated. Now you can go to the customer panel, log in as a customer, and send emails. This is the customer panel where you can upload your email list. Or you need to set up your computer. There will be a complete video on Mailwiz explaining how to install it on your BPS machine and send emails from it. In SES, you can use its email service and monitor your reputation here. You can see your account health, status, bounce rate, etc. When the health is showing green, it means it's good. If it shows red, it means it's very bad. That's it. You can also use SMTP if you have compatible software because it supports 3 ports. Port 25 is typically not available in software and doesn't open in Windows, but the other 2 ports are open, so you can use both of them. To create an email server, go to Services and click on EC2. When you create an account, you'll get many services for free for 12 months. Look here, the free trial is enabled. You can see the Ubuntu server is available in the free trial. You can select this Ubuntu server and get an Ubuntu machine from here. You can take an EC2 instance and install any of these mail servers on that machine to send emails. If you want Windows, you can buy Windows Server 2017 or other versions. I made a video on how to install Windows 10 on BPS. Here, they provide Windows directly, which we call RDP. You can do that too. Ubuntu would be better. You can get the server from here and install the mail server on it. The free trial is limited to 12 months. But if the free trial period ends and they stop it, you'll need to be aware of that. So these were the 2 ways to use AWS for email services. If you have any problems, WhatsApp or call me. If you want me to build any of these mail servers for you, I can set up the software and mail server for you. Just contact me, I'll provide you with the rates, and then I'll build and deliver it to you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. Many videos related to mail servers and other topics are coming soon. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.